Come with me to unbox my Derma order or my Circadia order. My first order for my little spa that I'm doing here. I've already cut open the box. I was a little premature. It's literally 11 p.m. It's literally 12 p.m., 12:10 at night, but I'm excited. I am cat sitting this little man, and I'm so excited to unbox this. Okay, I did already cut it open. I was excited. So, list of everything I got. A little thank you for your order, for your partnership. And I love it because they have continuing education on their website. They already sent me the login information. It has all their protocols and everything, all the information, all the product. Oh gosh. He's playing with the paper. Let me see. Can we just appreciate this little baby boy for a second here? Look at the camera. He's so handsome and I just love him so much. Anyways, first things first, the Circadia Lipid Replacing Cleansing Gel. I've heard so much about this. It's very gentle, it's very hydrating, and it just cleans the skin very nicely. I'm on a lot of Facebook support groups, and they're all like, Circadia is the best here in Canada. And I'm buying into the hype. Next thing is their Marshmallow Whip Hydrating Mask. I think I'm gonna try that tonight already. Then I got a little mixing bowl. This was actually free as part of my order. This is my starting order, my first order of skincare products for my business from a real retailer. And next, I have some fan brushes, perfect for my chemical peels or applying masks or anything. Yeah. Ooh, I know what this is. I ordered a little lip thing, hibiscus flavored. Yes, lip renewing hydrator, hibiscus flavor. Yum. No. I think I'm loving this so much. I love opening packages. I'm bad at it though. Okay, well, I broke it already, but I have some super glue at home, so I can always put this back together. But this is the Light Day sunscreen for face and neck. This is actually great because the sunscreen I have leaves a cast, and I'm just not really loving it. So I'm gonna try this too for tomorrow. Excuse the hair. I just got out of the shower and well, it's been like an hour. I've been lollygagging, but anyway, next product, firming peptide mask activator. This is like very famous in Canada here, in the medical esthetician community, and I'm excited to find out why. And next, let's see what this bad boy is. Yeah, we gonna find out. Snow algae and spirulina cooling mask. I do a lot of chemical peels and microneedling. This is going to be perfect for that. And lastly, but not least, firming peptide mask. Ba 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 boom. That will obviously go with the activator, but I'm so excited. And so is Tigger is no longer excited. But I am! Anyways, follow me to continue this journey.